So in this entire book, there's only 4 kind of chapters that you have to read carefully. Rest is more or less a kind of story. So the 5th chapter is very important. He gives a really brief kind of a geopolitical reflection of entire Tibetan issue in kind of all the stages. That's a really important chapter. The chapter 15 is the current situation, what we could have done, what we should do in the future. That's a really important one. Then 16th chapter is very important. 16 and the Appendix A is very important, especially for the Tibetan activists, normal Tibetan people who normally often come across other people to conversations to merely simplify how Tibet and China is a difference. So those last 2 chapters are very simplified, the relationship between Tibet and China, why they are different, what we are fighting for. So those two are very important. Thank you so much. That's all.